Hello everyone. So in today's tutorial I will be sharing with you how to make expression letters like this in Canva. So as you can see the expression letters in here, which you can easily use as a presentation to teach your students in schools. So it is a useful way to teach all the alphabets to the students. So how to make it? So you can make either this type of design like I have made is Tom and Jerry, and for this you have to use these keywords in these elements, like you can see bright letter T for example. You can see this and use it. So like that, cheeky letter, thinking and agreeing letter, animated cool letter, flustered letter, shocked and annoyed letter, flattered letter, laughing gracefully letter, amazed letter, happy and cheeky, happy and chill, and interested letter. So all that you can use it to find this type of useful expression character and use it. So hope this tutorial helped you in learning a new type of expression letter format, and stay tuned for more tutorials. Thank you.